Hi, welcome to video 25. Now we're gonna take a closer look on how we can take this massing and put some facade panels on top of it, which we don't see it on Forma, right? So let's try to fill that gap, and to do so what we'll be using is Skin Designer. However, before we proceed with Skin Designer, let's start with preparation of our B-wraps. So if I take all these B-wraps, which I can do that, but why don't we do the same one operation for three of them? So set one B-rep, and what I'll be doing is I'll be taking the surfaces around this massing rather than having them all, because as you remember, Skin Designer would work only with the surfaces around this massings or around these buildings. It excludes the top and the bottom surfaces, right? So to do so, I'll deconstruct this B-wrap, and then I'll be sorting the faces based on their Z locations, right? So I'll be sorting these faces based on their areas coordinate, right? So if I deconstruct this, and I can take set here as my key, and what I'll be doing is I preview this off, or I can select this and set object display. I can say wireframe, and if I put a list item or call item, I can call item, call index. I can call 0 and -1. 0 would be the lowest, -1 would be the highest. Obviously it won't work because this right clicked and multi-line data. And this is going to be our faces, right? So if I can join this B-wraps, I can pull this in, and this is one single B-wrap that can be used for the purposes of our facade preparation. And that's actually pretty much for it. That's pretty much for this video. In the next one, we'll be talking about how we can take this guy and then create facade panels on all these faces by using Skin Designer.